JAMB 2024 question 14. We are given a question on definite integrals. Definite integrals. And we are asked to find the integral of 3x minus 1 whole squared with respect to x from 0 limits, that's the lower limit, to the upper limit of 2. Now, you can solve this in two ways. Either we open up the bracket completely, or we use integration by substitution. So let's begin with the normal way, that's open up the bracket. So we know from a minus b squared, we know that it is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So if you apply this to 3x minus 1 squared, we have that this will give us 3x squared minus 2 into 3x multiplied by 1 plus 1 squared. So this will give us 3x squared, or the 3 will be squared, so we have 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. So if we substitute these into this will become integral of 0 to 2 of 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 with respect to x. So now let's integrate this. Integrating this now will give us 9x raised to power 2 3 divided by 3. So we are applying the rule of integral. Integral of ax raised to power n with respect to x will give us ax raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. But since it is a definite integral, this plus c can be removed. So you can watch more videos on the calculus series that is on the channel. Now let's continue. So we have integrated 9x squared to give us 9x raised to power 3 over 3. Then let's integrate 6x. So we have 6x squared divided by 2, and 1 is to give us x from lower limit of 0 to upper limit of 2. Now this will give us 3x raised to power 3 minus 3x squared plus x from lower limit of 0 to 2. Now, since it's definite integrals, we'll apply the upper limit and then subtract the lower limit from it. So applying upper limit, so everywhere we see x, we apply 2. So 2 raised to power 3 minus 3, 2 raised to power 2 plus 2. Then the lower limit of 0, so we have 3 into 0 raised to power 3 minus 3 into 0 raised to power 2 plus 0. And everything here will give us 0. So we left with 3 multiplied by 8, okay, minus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2. And the answer will give us 14. Now, this is one of the ways to solve now. The other way to solve now is to use integration by substitution. Now let's try again. We're given the question of integral from 0 to 2 of 3x minus 1 squared dx. Now by substitution we say let u be equals to 3x minus 1. Therefore we say that the u dx is equals to 3, and then we can make our dx to formula, and this will give us the u divided by 3. So if u is equals to 3x minus 1, u is equals to 3x minus 1, and then substitute it here. We have this is 0. Remember the lower limit here is x is equals to 0, and the upper limit here is x is equals to 2. And we have u multiplied by u raised to power 2 multiplied by dx. We know our dx is du divided by 3. Du divided by 3. Now, to integrate, we must have a upper limit of u and a lower limit of u, and likewise a upper limit of u. So we have to convert x here to u and convert x here to u. So we are going to use this. U is equals to 3x minus 1. So our lower limit of x is equals to 0 can be transformed into a lower limit of u, which is equals to 3 into 0 minus 1, and this will give us 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. And our upper limit of x is equals to 2 can be transformed to u using 3 into 3. U is equals to 3 into 2 minus 1, and this would give us 5. So this therefore can be written again as integral of u is equals to minus 1 and u is equals to 5 of u squared divided by 3 du. So we can simply write this as integral of minus 1 to 5 u squared over 3 du. So if we simplify this now, we will have this to give us integral, or let's just integrate it straight away. So we have integral of u raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 from lower limit of minus 1 to upper limit of 5. So this is u raised to power 3 from minus 1 to 5. We bring the constant out, 1 over 9. So therefore this will give us 1 over 9. Let's apply our upper limit minus lower limit. That's 5 raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3. 1 over 9 divided by 125. 125 minus 1. Okay, so this is 1 over 9 multiplied by 125 plus 1. So this is 126 divided by 9, and this will be equals to 14. So we can see that integration by substitution, we have our answer to give us 14, and if we go through opening the brackets, we still have our answer to be equals to 14. You can check out more videos on calculus on the YouTube channel, so that you have more understanding on both integration by substitution and also change of limits.